All slice operations return a new list containing the requested elements. Just write the name of the list squares and put the square brackets colon, and you'll get a shallow copy of this list, like this example here. Lists also support operations like concatenations. In this example, we have added several elements to the list that we created previously, which is called squares. We have added 5 elements inside it, and these elements were added at the end of the squares list after the elements that were previously there. They were added after the number 25, as you can see. Unlike strings, which are immutable, lists are mutable type. That means it is possible to change their content or their items. Here we have an error in this list, which is that the fourth element is supposed to be keeping the number 4, and the keeping of the number 4 equal to 64. As you know, it is not 65, and for this we must change that, and it can be modified in the Python lists, unlike strings in Python. In lists you can change and edit everything. Let's change the fourth item from 65 to 64. As you can see here, it is very simple. Just we have changed the fourth element of this list called cubes, which has index 3 from 65 to 64. You can also add a new item at the end of this list by using the append method. As you can see here, we have 2 examples using the append function. In the first example, we added the number 216 at the end of the list called cubes. Then the second example, after that we added the cubing of the number 7 to the end of this list, after the number that we added previously, after the number 216. And if we try to add another number, this number will come at the end of the cubes list after number 343.